Do you know where the nearest gas station is?
Yeah, it's just around the corner.
Do you know where I can get a good cup of coffee?
There's a great cafe down the street.
Do you know where the restroom is?
Sure, it's right behind the lobby.
Do you know where I can park for free?
Try the lot behind the building. Do you know where the closest pharmacy is?
There's one next to the supermarket.
Do you know where I can print these documents?
The copy shop across the road can help.
Do you know where the pickup point for Uber is?
It's near the main entrance.
Do you know where I can return this item?
Customer service is on the second floor. Do you know where the nearest ATM is?
There's one inside the bank.
Do you know where I can grab a quick bite?
There's a food truck outside.
Do you know where the bus stop is?
Yes, it's near the store.
Do you know where I can buy food?
There's a supermarket nearby. Do you know where the bathroom is?
It's on the left.
Do you know where I can sit?
You can sit over there.
Do you know where the bank is?
It's next to the cafe.
Do you know where the nearest Target is?
Yeah, it's about 5 minutes away. Do you know where I can get my car washed?
There's a car wash down the street.
Do you know where I can refill my water bottle?
There's a fountain by the restrooms.
Do you know where the food court is?
It's upstairs.
Do you know where the express checkout is?
It's on the far right. Do you know where I can drop off this package?
The post office is across the street.
Do you know where the dog park is?
It's behind the baseball field.
Do you know where I can charge my phone?
There are outlets by the window.
Do you know where the lost and found is?
Try the front desk.